Pittsburgh International Airport.
Welcome to Pittsburgh International Airport, where we're committed to the highest health and safety.
You don't have any tunnels.
No, I don't go through tunnels. Here we are, container, Monroeville, PA, loading up at my family's house. Grew up in this house. Got all my old school Caraudio, all been sitting here in storage for like almost 15 years. Well, now it's time to sort through all of the boxes and dust off what I find. And I might even have forgotten what is in some of the boxes, so we might have some surprises. So stay tuned and check out what this collection brings. Time to pack.